Alright people, welcome back to another video that you guys get to sit back and watch us hyperlapse and do some work.
YouTube magic.
Yep, all that YouTube magic. Let me see if we do that finger click, finger. That shit don't work. Alright, so crank is out, blocks getting cleaned up. Got assembly lube. We're about to drop the new crank in and start putting this baby back together.
Now we're going to go 90 degrees, 90 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here, here. And up. That's it. And up. And that's it. That's your whole mouth. Alright, there it is.
Yep.
Alright, so take this. This shit. Now make the pressure on all fingers. Not a bring the bolt from shit. I'll just leave like I think it is. You know we didn't plug in the knock sensor.
All right, folks, we have somewhat part of a long block. As you can see, everything is torqued down. We're ready to go. Just gotta put in the oil pan bolts, which I forgot at home. So I didn't remember to bring the oil pan bolts. We'll probably be timing right now. But hey, it is what it is. You know, take our time, get it done right, and we'll have to do this again for a while. Let me stop lying, because we got about we got that. That's the bad one, and this is another on the back of my truck right now. So hey, appreciate y'all watching. As always, thank you so much. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if it's your first time.
Like, subscribe, and comment.
He said, like, subscribe, and comment. I'll catch y'all next video. And thanks to these guys. Watch y'all windshields, man. If you don't subscribe, he gonna get you. But thanks to these gentlemen right here. What's happening? We out. We got so much more to come.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say